Nigerian TV.
Welcome to DJM TV, where you get latest news updates. If today is your first time seeing our videos, you are at the right channel, and we promise not to disappoint you, as we are here to update you on all trending and latest news. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this, and you are welcome on board. Please share, comment and like our work, as this gives us the strength and ability to carry on with our good work. Let's get into the main news. As he day hot, make we day release them. News number 1. Campaigns has officially started in Edo, says INEC. The Independent National Electoral Commission says it has lifted the ban on campaigns by political parties ahead of the September 19th governorship election in Edo State. INEC head of voter education in Edo, Timidi Wariowe, said campaigns have officially commenced in the state. Wariowe said, campaigns have officially started in the state. Campaigns start 90 days to the election date, and it started on June 21st. He also disclosed that the electoral umpire had taken delivery of some non-sensitive materials and distributed same to the 18 local government areas of the state. The reason we distributed the materials early is that the office we occupy now has a small storage capacity. The storage facility cannot accommodate all the materials, so as the materials come, we dispatch to our local government offices. The non-sensitive materials we have received so far are not complete, so as they come in batches, we distribute because of lack of space to keep them. According to Wariowe, the total registered voters as of 2019 is 2,210,534, while uncollected PVCs stands at 483,868. INEC had cleared and displayed a list of candidates of 14 registered political parties, including the All Progressives Party and the People's Democratic Party being the major contenders, ahead of the polls. News number 2. Ahead of guber poll, Edo PDP, APC harvest more defectors. Ahead of the September 19, 2020, gubernatorial election in Edo, the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and the All Progressives Congress (APC) yesterday received more defectors from the ADP and Labour Party (LP). Leading the decampees, the state organizing secretary of the ADP, Oshodin Isdomwen, said they were pitching a tent with the PDP because of its capacity and the performance of the party's standard bearer, Governor Godwin Obaseki. The state PDP chairman, Dr. Tony Azebemi, praised Isdomwen and his co-voyagers for their enthusiasm and trust, assuring them of their full integration into the mainstream of the political grouping. Also, LP members, led by their candidate in the 2016 poll and United Kingdom-based legal practitioner, Nosa Kings Ehunmumsi, identified with the APC, pledging support for its governorship candidate, Pastor Osagie Iyamu, to change the narrative of governance with his lofty ideals. However, the PDP has said the admission by iyamu that he was allegedly expelled from the university at a point in time had further validated the position by his party's former national chairman that he is unfit to hold office as governor of the state. Also yesterday, a federal high court sitting in Benin City ordered the APC candidates to appear before it on July 14, 2020, in respect of the alleged N$700 million fraud case preferred against him and others by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC). Justice Garba gave the order following the absence of Iyamu in court on health grounds. But the judge held that the hearing of the pending motions, challenging the jurisdiction of the court, would hold on that date after rejecting the oral request for a prolonged adjournment by counsel to the first defendant, Iyamu, Charles Edosomwan, who had argued that his client would not disobey the order of the court. Other accused persons, including former Deputy Governor Lucky Imasuen and Mr. Efe Erimoga Anthony, are facing an 8-count charge of money laundering of the above sum to prosecute the 2015 general elections. EFCC lawyer, Ahmed Imuba, and attorney to the second defendant, Pascal Ubom, also confirmed that the suit was adjourned on account of Iyamu's absence. In a related development, the same court, presided over by Justice Mohammed Garba, also yesterday adjourned the suit to determine the mode of the state APC governorship primary to July 23, 2020, pending the determination of the pending appeal at the Supreme Court in Abuja. The court postponed the case following an application of stay of execution by the counsel to APC, Chief Henry Obodo, San, at the resumed hearing of the matter. Thank you for all your time listening to us. Thanks for all your love and support. Bye for now.
DJ ATV.